Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be working here on a BMW again in the shop, and we're going to share helpful information guys if you have an airbag light on and a code 93BB. So this BMW here guys, you can see the airbag light is on. Super annoying, okay. And we have a code 93BB. Okay, 93BB is for the passenger side, okay, passenger side seatbelt catch right here. So this one guys can be tested, okay. There is two ways to test it: manually, and you can test it with a computer. In today's video guys, we're going to explain what could cause that code. We're going to scan the system and share with you what could be the potential solution for that. So that computer here, it can be used almost on any car you can think of. Really good computer. I'm going to go to the control unit. Okay, I'm going to list it in the description of the video below, so if you want to check it out. The airbag system is part of the body system, so we're going to select body now, airbag, and here we're going to read the codes. And check out now, okay, that code 93BB, 93BB, seatbelt catch, passenger side. Okay, this one right here. Now if I go back to the module and select live data here, then we select general, we can go ahead and see that the seatbelt catch, we can do the test through the computer. Okay, and we have now, it says not inserted. Okay, let's see if ours work, and we will explain what could be the potential for getting that code. Okay, what I'll be doing, I will insert the belt. Okay, I inserted the belt. Okay, and right here it says not inserted. So now you have two options. It could be a bad seatbelt buckle, or it could be a bad connection. Now I'll go under the vehicle here, under the car, on the passenger side, under the seat, excuse me, and I already disconnected the cable here for the seat. This is your seat cable, and this is where the cable for the seatbelt buckle, the catch, will be as well. Now in our case, okay, you can see two wires are coming from the seatbelt buckle. It's hard to show you, but you can usually see and trace them. Two of the wires will be for the seatbelt tensioner and two for the buckle, for the catch. Now, usually guys, okay, you don't want, you can test the seatbelt tensioner, but that's a different code. So the buckle could be tested. Once you trace the wires, you can test them with multimeter, and we'll have it on the video. But what we find out, sometimes that connector will get stuck under the seat, okay, the cables, and they'll get loose, like wiggle. You have to inspect your pins really good inside. This one had coffee spilled on it, really bad. I mean, it was flooded with coffee. So we clean everything. Okay, we're going to reconnect ours, and now we'll go and see if our seatbelt catch works after that. If you disconnect your connector, I recommend you have the battery disconnected. If you forgot to disconnect your battery, go ahead and reset all the codes, but it's part of the airbag system, so you don't want anything to deploy there. So what I'll be doing now, okay, I'll connect to the module. Okay, let's see if we'll get the live data. Yep, right now I'm going to install the belt. Okay, let me grab the belt quick here, and I'm going to see if the information will change. Okay, check now, it says not inserted for the passenger side. Now it says inserted. So our seatbelt buckle catch works really good. Okay, now I disconnected, it said not inserted. I connected, it said inserted, not inserted. So check your connectors guys, and also we'll have the video how to manually test them if you don't have the computer. So thank you for watching. Please give a thumb up, subscribe, and many more videos will be made on BMWs.